Hello respectable audience, look this question. 4 plus 4 whole square divided by 8 times 8 is equal to what? 4 plus 4 gives us 8 and it is 8 square divided by 8 times 8. Now 8 square will give us 64 divided by 8 times 8. 64 divided by 8 times 8 gives us 64. Now 64 divided by 64 gives us 1. 1 will be our answer. But remember that it is not correct answer. So I have written question again, and this question can be solved by PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction from top to bottom. First of all, parentheses has to be solved. So here is parentheses which will become 8 and square will be as it is divided by 8 times 8. Now exponent mean power. Here you are looking for, which will become 64 divided by 8 times 8. Now next step will be a problem if you don't know PEMDAS. Multiplication and division both are same. We have to move from left to right. Here division is at left, it will be handled first. 64 divided by 8 gives us 8 times 8. So 8 times 8 will give us 64. That will be our answer. So 1 is incorrect and 64 is correct answer. Thank you for your support.